Pulley Demonstration Kit is a compact solution for students to experience various experiments with pulleys. Everything from a simple pulley to complex systems, mechanical advantage, wheel and axle, as well as the work done when a pulley is being moved. The complete set contains 8 single pulleys, 2 double pulleys, a wide range of hanging masses, a support stand and all the appropriate connecting hardware, a differential pulley that has 4 different pulley sizes, 2 balls of string, and an instruction manual. One of the unique features that this has over other similar models is the eye hook attached to the base. This eye hook allows you to securely attach one end of your pulley system. The small crossguard that comes with the kit is initially used to place into the hole of the rod so you can securely attach it to the base, but it's also used to make some really cool and interesting complex pulley systems. When you are doing an experiment on work and you need to measure the distance the mass is moved, the capstan on the bottom allows you to easily and repeatedly move the system of the pulleys up and down. With the capstan, as the students make one rotation, they can reliably lift or lower the system a known distance repeatedly from one experiment to the other. The demonstration pulley system allows students to investigate a wide range of different combinations of pulleys. Everything from a simple pulley to a block and tackle to something much more complex. Students can investigate concepts such as mechanical advantage, work, and how a differential pulley, commonly called the wheel and axle, can perform. The all-metal design allows you to have years of use and durability because they will fall when they're pulling it together, and you don't have to worry about these breaking